So manually resizing your browser just to check for responsiveness of your web application is not something you want to do anymore. All right. So there are a couple of extensions that one can actually use, and then you can basically see how responsive your web application is without basically resizing it the way that I'm doing it right now, because this is not all that so effective anymore. All right. So, but there is one that I'm just currently using right now, which is really very nice, and you want to try that. So let's say I want to see how this particular website looks on Android. I can select Android right in here, and it's going to go ahead and then it'll show me the Android version of it, or how it basically would look on the Android. Look at how it looks. So if you have ever visited the seller with your Android phone, you are going to agree with me that this is just basically how it looks like. All right. Perfect. So it mirrors how it basically looks like on that of the Android. If you don't like this device or you don't have this device, let's say you want to choose another device, you can click here and let's say I want to see how this looks, or let's say I'm going to just say iPhone, and this is how it's going to look on iPhone right there. All right. This is how it's going to look on iPhone, and you can just basically select any device that you like in here, and you're going to just see how that kind of looks like. Right. So if you want to use iPad, this is how it will look on iPad. We also have the ability, if you don't want to use here, you can toggle. You can use this icon right here to toggle. So if I keep hitting on that, you're going to see there's going to be toggling the devices for me. All right. And again, let's say you want to duplicate this screen right here. I can hit on here and it's going to duplicate that. So then I'm going to just drag this one a little bit to the right, and I can choose the screen that I want to basically, let me say I want to see how this looks like on something like do we have laptop right here. So this is how it looks on laptop. Then for the other form, which is basically all about that of the mobile, I can just drag that. I want to just show you guys something right now. So I'm going to just drag this one to the right. So this is the mobile version of it right here. I'm going to just select something like, I want to say, let's go back to Android. And this is how it looks on Android right here. So you can see how it looks on Android and then how it looks on that of the laptop right here. Pretty simple, right? So that's just for it. You can take a screenshot of this in case you want to maybe present your application to someone whom you built it for, so that they can see how it looks on desktop or laptop, and also how it looks on mobile phone. All right, so if you want to get this, just go to the comment section below and just drop responsive, and I'm going to just DM you the URL um to this particular extension right here so that you can use it. All right, so see you in the next one, guys.